Hi my friends, how you doing? Happy Wednesday. How about this morning? We opened these balls.
Nobody knows me like you do. You just read my mind. Nobody gets me except for you, like we're intertwined. Seasons come and go. Universe will change, but I'll feel the same.
You know what this reminds me of? Girlies of my era, my childhood era. Does anybody remember the legs, pantyhose, eggs that pantyhose used to come in? I don't know when it started, but I'm a child. I was born in 75, child of the 80s, you know. Those eggs were my first boobs. You would stick them in your shirt and make boobs, but you need 2 pair because otherwise you would be lopsided because one side of the egg was bigger than the other. Well, now you can have symmetrical big old honkers for playing pretend booby. Multi-purpose, multi-use. Anywho, how about if we open these together? Do I want to start with fashion or sneakers? Let's start with sneakers. Here we go. Ooh, we got some stickers. Cute. Reebok sticker. Reebok sticker. Aw, the one I'd seen, one that somebody else opened, they had five packages in them. Well, that's disappointing. I feel like I got ripped off. I'm ripped off already and I haven't even started. Looks like here's the things that you could get. A bunch of different shoes. Some hats. Let's see what we got. What do I want to open first? I think this is going to be a hat. I can tell by the way it feels. Let's see. What hat would I want? I would rather have one of the bucket hats than the baseball cap, to be honest. But if I get another hat, maybe the Airwalk. Let's see. Ooh. It's the golden. It's a golden Reebok. That is an ultra rare here. Well, okay. I don't like it. It's not my style. Shoes. Let's see. I want the Airwalks. They're the closest to a Converse Chuck Taylor. Pump up the jam. It's a cute box. Look at this box. Pump it up. Ready? Boop. Tissue. Oh well, hey, I got the 2 of the rarest. I got the whole thing. I just realized, how common is it to get every single one of the rare, ultra rare items in your first time? So I got that and that and the sticker. I got all of them. All the rare, ultra rares in one go. See? Pretend boobies. Alright, next one. Fashion. I hope there's more than just 2 in this one. I guess that one had 3. If you count. Well, 1, 2, 3. I guess if you count the stickers. I guess they count the stickers. Alright, let's open fashion. Jeez Louise, man. Just 2 again? This one's not as, these aren't as fun. I want the 5. I want 5 like the other ones I saw get opened. We got some purses and some shoes, kitty cat, a charm, accessories. Okay. Item number 1. Ew. Okay. I don't know if I'll be wasting my money on these things anymore. Can't even get no cute stuff. Okay. I don't understand. I don't understand. I don't know what that is. Is that it's supposed to be a bracelet? And nails? Okay. I got these funky boots. Okay. And this, I think, is a bracelet. And a nail sticker? I'm disappointed. I don't like that. Okay, this one's kind of cute. It's a little purse, and it's even kind of boho style. That's cute. I do like that one. One winner out of my hole. Oh well. I tried. It's not really for me. It's not something I think I would be spending my money on again. I think it looked cuter seeing other people do it. Maybe I'll just keep watching them spend their money on such things. I really don't. I don't know. I'm not impressed. Or at least the balls I got, I guess, aren't maybe as impressive. Because some of the food ones I've seen, they look like they're really cute stuff. But I don't really have, like, I was thinking, you know, I like fashion, so I can just, like, sit these around in my little office here. It'd be cute, but, eh. What I like is the box. I like the box, not the shoes. I like the box that came with these shoes and the Bohemian purse. That's it. Okay, well that was fun. Alright, I hope you all have better luck with that if you buy them. Or maybe you like these things. I mean, the shoes aren't that bad if you're into them kind of shoes, I guess. But I'm not. But these, well, alright. Well, that was fun-ish. Alright, have a good day. I love you guys. Bye! Thanks for my new boobies. I don't need them anymore, but thank you.
Seasons come and go.